Getting to know Philippine wrinkled ground frog. The Philippine wrinkled ground frog, Platymantis corrugatus, is a forest-dwelling amphibian found across Luzon, Mindanao, and other Philippine islands. With its wrinkled skin and earthy colors, it blends perfectly into the leaf litter, making it a master of camouflage. This frog thrives in moist lowland and mountain forests, often hiding under logs or foliage. Despite habitat loss, it is classified as least concern by the IUCN, meaning its population remains stable for now. In Morgada's arboretum, its presence signals a healthy environment. Protecting these forests ensures that this stealthy survivor continues to play its role in nature's delicate balance.